दोस्तों 2026 में एक क्लियर पैटर्न दिख रहा है। कंपनीज बोल रही है एआई ने हमारे जूनियर एनालिस्ट का 40 से 50% टाइम फ्री कर दिया, बट इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट लाइन क्या है? नाउ वी नीड समवन हु कैन एक्सप्लेन व्हाट द एआई इज एक्चुअली फाइंडिंग। एआई रिपोर्ट बना सकता है, एआई डैशबोर्ड जनरेट कर सकता है, एआई समरी लिख सकता है, बट एआई बोर्ड रूम में बैठकर सीईओ के टफ क्वेश्चंस हैंडल नहीं कर सकता है। एसएससी एंड सी ब्लू प्रिज्म की 2026 रिपोर्ट कहती है by 2028, 38% of organization will have AI agents working inside human teams. Think about that. AI will be your teammate, but every team needs a translator, a decision saver, a communicator. AI output देगा, human meaning देगा, and that human you can be that person if you build communicate more. अगर आप कोडिंग सीख रहे हो that is good. अगर आप एनालिसिस सीख रहे हो दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड, बट अगर कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रांग नहीं है तो एआई आपको रिप्लेस नहीं करेगा, एआई आपको ओवरशैडो करेगा। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कम्युनिकेशन मोड क्या है, व्हाई इट्स बिकमिंग मोर वैल्यूएबल इन एआई एरा, हाउ टू बिल्ड इट प्रैक्टिकली एज अ स्टूडेंट।
डेटा कम्युनिकेशन एक्चुअली क्या है? डेटा कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं, ये एक स्पेसिफिक सेट ऑफ स्किल्स है। स्किल 1 ट्रांसलेशन, टेक्निकल टू इनटू बिजनेस लैंग्वेज। First is technical. The random forest model achieved 91.3% accuracy with 5-fold across validation, with precision of 0.89 and recall of 0.93 on the test set. Now, business language. Our new system correctly identifies 9 out of 10 cases where a customer is about to leave us. If we act on this within 24 hours with a targeted offer, we can retain them last quarter. This would have saved us 80 lakhs. One say how good the model is, the other say why it matters. Interviewer, managers and executives care about the second version only. Skills 2 audience awareness. CFO को ROI cost saving revenue impact. Operation manager को how to implement what change in their process. IT team को technical requirement, data pipeline, access permission. CEO को strategic decision, competitive advantage. Same analysis 4 different presentation, यही audience awareness है। Skill 3 is structure storytelling. The SCQA framework, situation, context देना, our customer retention rate dropped 12% this quarter. Complications, problem highlight करना, we don't know why they are leaving. Questions, business questions define करना, which customers should we focus on retaining? Answer is data driven recommendation based on our analysis. High value customer is 25 to 35 in the metro cities are most at risk. Here is why and what we should do. The structure works for email presentation and Slack message alike. Bad versus good communication. Example 1, if we have monthly sales report, first is bad communication. Sales were 45.2 crores this month up to 41.8 crore last month, representing a 8.1% month over month increase. The North region contribute 12.3 crores. In a good way, we grew 8% this month, driven almost entirely by North region, which is up 22%. But there is a concern. South region declined 14% of the second consecutive month. This needs immediate attention. I have analyzed 3 possible causes. Here they are with supporting data, and here is what I recommend we investigate first. Now example 2 is dashboard presentation. This is sales dashboard. The blue line is revenue, the bar chart show products. You can filter by date here. And now good one is, before I show the data, let me tell you what story it's tell. And you show dashboards. Sales are fine overall, but there is one thing that worries me, and I want to make sure leadership is aware. See this product category. It was our fastest growing 3 months ago, and now it's declining. Let me show you why that matters. And example 3 is AI output translation, most relevant in 2026. In a bad way, our AI model flagged 234 transactions as potentially fraudulent today. Now in a good way, our fraud detection system flagged 234 transactions today. I reviewed the top 20 high confidence flags manually. 18 are clearly fraudulent, 2 needs further investigation, total potential fraud prevented 14.2 lakhs. I have also noticed a new pattern in today's flags that suggest a new type of fraud attempt. I would like 15 minutes to brief the risk team. How to actually practice communicate. Practice one method is the 2-minute rule. Every analysis you do, immediately write a 2 minutes explanation as if taking to your CFO or CEO. Format: we found X, this matters because Y. I recommend Z because data shows. Do this every project. It's become a habit. Practice 2 method is explain to non-technical person. Like weekly, explain your current learning project to a family member or friend with no data background. If they don't understand, your explanation is not good enough. If they say, oh, interesting, so what can you do with that? That means you are communicating well. Practice method 3. LinkedIn as a communication lab. Write weekly post about your learnings. Each post have one insights, explain simply with your opinion on why it matters. Comments will tell you if you communicated clearly. People ask follow-up questions when they understand enough to be curious. Practice method 4 is mock presentations. Present your project to your phone camera, watch it back. This is uncomfortable, do it anyway. What you notice? Filler words, unclear explanation. When you lose confidence, fix those especially. Practice method 5 is use AI as a communication coach. Like prompt like this: I just explained this analysis, your explanation. Act as a CFO who received this explanation. What questions would you ask? What was unclear and what was missing? AI gives you honest feedback without judgment. The communication stack. Month 1 foundation. Learn SCQA framework. Use it for every analysis write-up. Practice translation. Every technical find. Business statement. Start LinkedIn even if just one post. Month 2 and 3. Month 2 to 3 application. Present your portfolio projects. Outload with timer. Explain to non-technical people weekly. Write detailed README files. This is written communication practice. LinkedIn post 2 per week minimum. Month 4 to 6 refinement. Mock interviews. Technical question plus communications preparation. Industry specific communication. Learn the language of your domain. Ask for feedback from people in the field. Analyze how data journalists explain complex data like WSJ, NYT data graphics. This is not a quick skill. It's built over months. That actually why it is your mood. Competitors won't bother. दोस्तों 2026 में IBM, MIT, Sloan, Harvard सब एग्री है. AI shifts human roles from task execution to strategic oversight and validation. Strategic oversight communicate करना है, डेटा नहीं. जो स्टूडेंट अर्ली कम्युनिकेशन प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करता है वो 2 साल में फर्स्ट एनालिस्ट इन द रूम व्हेन मैनेजमेंट डिसीजन हैपन. One who present to leadership, not just sends report. One who get promoted to analytics strategy role. आज ही स्टार्ट करो. अपने लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट को 2 मिनट बिजनेस एक्सप्लेनेशन में कन्वर्ट करो. इस वीक एक लिंक्डइन पोस्ट. इस मंथ प्रेजेंटेशन 1 प्रोजेक्ट टू समवन नॉन टेक्निकल. अगर आप ये सब कर लेते हो तो आपकी कम्युनिकेशन काफी अच्छी हो जाएगी. अगला एपिसोड फर्स्ट जॉब पाने की रियल स्ट्रेटेजी. जूनियर्स रोल श्रिंक हो रही है तो क्यों या क्या करें.